Hello, Vice President Pence. My name is Jim Dahl, and I am the owner of My Mr. Fix-It Mechanical Contractor, LLC, here in Lawton, Oklahoma. And we are being impacted by this coronavirus, and that where we're not able to get out and work efficiently and to be able to actually work in a lot of houses and with the shutdowns. What we need to do is be allowed to go back to work because of our income. I know that we got stimulus packages coming and everything, but some of those I don't qualify for, and I don't believe I'll qualify for any of the SBA loans. And so, if we shut down, we could only last maybe a month and a half right now. I'm very tight fund-wise, and right now I got a business coach helping me, trying to get the my revenue up, but I'm being shut down right now, and so I'm not sure if I'll even last long enough to make an impact on my business. I want to thank you. Bye.